In this video, virtual travelers will be able to enjoy stunning aerial footage of the Alpine landscape and watch high-definition video with 4K resolution. The Alps, a majestic mountain range located in Europe, are known for their breathtaking beauty and varied landscapes. Spread across several countries, including Austria, Switzerland, Italy, France, and Germany, the Alps offer a wide range of activities and experiences for travelers seeking adventure and natural beauty. The Alps are a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts due to their stunning alpine scenery and favorable climate. Hiking trails crisscross the region, offering the opportunity to explore picturesque valleys, crystal-clear lakes, and snow-capped peaks. The alpine climate provides ideal conditions for a variety of outdoor activities such as skiing, snowboarding, mountaineering, and paragliding. For those who prefer a more leisurely holiday, the Alps also offer charming alpine villages with traditional architecture and a rich cultural heritage.